What is a Jake brake and how does it work? A Jake brake, short for Jacob's engine brake, is a specialized compression release engine braking system commonly found in large diesel trucks, particularly in semi-trailers. Its primary purpose is to assist truck drivers in slowing down their vehicles while minimizing wear and tear on the service brakes. This unique system, often referred to as an engine brake, plays a crucial role in enhancing safety and extending the lifespan of critical components in heavy-duty trucks. How a Jake brake works. A Jake brake operates by releasing compressed air from the engine cylinders rather than allowing it to be combusted, thereby creating pressure against the rotation of the engine. This release of compressed air generates a resistance that effectively slows down the truck's engine and, by extension, the entire vehicle. This process is designed to preserve the service brakes, which can be prone to overheating during extended downhill descents or when slowing down heavy loads. The operation of a Jake brake is relatively straightforward. When the truck driver activates the Jake brake, often through a switch or control on the dashboard, it takes effect when the driver releases pressure from the accelerator. This release of the accelerator triggers the Jake brake to engage, and the engine braking process begins. In the normal operation of a diesel engine, air is drawn into the cylinders through the intake valve and then compressed as the pistons move. This compressed air is a source of energy that, under normal circumstances, is harnessed to drive the truck. When the Jake brake is engaged, the process diverges from the standard operation. Instead of using the compressed air to power the engine's downstroke, the compressed air is directed out of the exhaust valves, preventing it from contributing to the engine's propulsion. This diversion of energy generates a resistance effect on the crankshaft, effectively slowing down the vehicle. Truck drivers have control over the degree of engine braking they want by selecting from low, medium, or high configurations. This allows for a level of customization depending on the steepness of the slope and the desired deceleration rate. Essentially, the driver can determine how many engine cylinders are in compression release mode, affecting the strength of the engine braking. The Jake brake is deactivated when the driver applies the accelerator or clutch. This means it's only active when the driver is not using the accelerator, making it a valuable tool for maintaining speed on downhill descents. Impact on the engine. One common concern is whether using a Jake brake is detrimental to the engine. The good news is that when operated correctly, a Jake brake does not harm the engine in any way. The design of the system ensures that it exerts no more pressure on the engine than the normal forces resulting from diesel combustion. However, it's crucial to note that drivers should take a few precautions when using a Jake brake. First, they should ensure that the engine is adequately warmed up before activating the system. Attempting to use a Jake brake with a cold engine can potentially cause damage. Additionally, drivers should avoid pushing the engine's RPM, revolutions per minute, over the manufacturer's specified limit, as exceeding this limit could lead to problems. There are several advantages to employing a Jake brake, making it an invaluable tool for truck drivers. 1. Extended brake life. By taking some of the load off the service brakes, Jake brakes significantly extend the lifespan of brake shoes and other critical brake components. This reduction in wear and tear translates to cost savings for trucking companies and increased safety. 2. Safer downhill driving. Engine brakes are especially beneficial when navigating steep downhill grades. They prevent excessive friction and brake fade, which can lead to brake failure, ensuring that the driver can safely slow down or come to a stop without relying solely on the service brakes. 3. Improved fuel efficiency. Engine brakes offer a slight boost in fuel efficiency. By shutting off the fuel supply to the engine's injectors for specific cylinders during compression braking, the overall fuel efficiency of the engine is improved. Drawbacks of Jake brakes. While Jake brakes come with a range of benefits, they do have a notable drawback: noise. The act of releasing compressed air during engine braking creates a significant amount of noise, often compared to the sound of a gunshot or a loud engine roar. This noise can be highly disruptive, particularly in quiet or residential areas, leading to local regulations that prohibit the use of jake brakes.